In this animal cell is divided in 13 parts. Is also called in the different name in this and have different function. For the first one, the cell membrane, the thin layer of the protein and fat that surrounded the cell. The cell membrane is a semi-permeable, allows some substance to pass into the cell and blocking others. The other one, centrosome, is also called the microtubule organizing center. A small body located near the nucleus has a dense center and radiating tubules. The centrosomes is where microtubules are made. During the cell division, the centrosome divides and the two parts move to opposite side of the dividing cell. The center is the dense center of the centrosome. The other one is the central plasm. The jelly-like material outside the cell nucleus in which the organelles are located. And the Golgi body, a flat layer, scale-like organelle that look like a sketch of the pancake and is located near the nucleus. This produces the membranes that surrounded the lysosome. The Golgi body package the proteins and the carbohydrates into membrane bound vessels for export from the cell. And the lysosome, so around organelle surrounded by the membrane and contain these two elements. This is where the destruction of the cell nucleus takes place. And the mitochondrion is an important part in the animal's cell. It's buried to the root separate organelle with a double membrane. The inner membrane is infolded many times, forming a series of the projections. The mitochondria converts the energy stored in the glucose into ATP for the cell. And the nuclear members, the membrane that surrounded the nucleus. And the nucleus. An organ within the nucleus is where the ribosomed RNA is produced, and some cell has more than one nucleus. The nucleus. The spheroid body contains many organs into the nucleus and nucleus. The nucleus controls many of the functions of the cell and contains DNA. The nucleus is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Ribosome, small organism composite RNA-rich cytoplasmic granules that are set of the protein synthesis. And RAF-ER, a vast system of the interconnected membranous infold and convolute sac that is located in cell cytoplasm. RAF-ER is covered ribosome that give it a rough appearance. RAF-ER transport materials through the cell and produce protein in sequence and outer in the cell system. And the other smooth ER, a vast system of the interconnected membranes, fluid, and convoluted tubes that are located in the cell cytoplasm. The space within the ER is called the ER room. Smooth ER transport materials through the cell. It contains enzymes and diester lipid and membrane protein. Smooth ER but from rough ER, moving the newly made proteins and lipid to go to the Golgi body, lasers and membranes. And last one is a wall column. Fluid filled membranes surrounded cavities inside the cell. The wall column filled with food being digested and waste materials that is on its way out of the cell.